You've ever had one of these pipes where you've got a bend in it? I've just noticed this. There's a kink in it. I didn't know that was there until I've stripped the thing down. You ever had one of these and thought, how am I supposed to fix this? You need the proper tool for it. Well, I decided to have a go at fixing one before, and I ended up doing it with a brake kit. So what I'm going to do is chop it right on the cut, the bend, sorry. Straighten that out like so. And what I'm going to do, I'll put my brake kit. End bit off. There we go. Oops. A little bit further now. Rubber seal's not wanting to go in, so I'm just going to put some grease on it. There she's going now. There we go, it's gone. So that rubber seal wasn't going to go. Right, a little bit more. There we go, it's done. So that's how to push one of them on without the tool. See that? All done. Cheers.